we've had a lot of stuff going on this last month or so. We got a puppy, so that's been fun. So yeah, we've got the puppy, we've got the chickens, got my vegetables that are growing like mad. The rabbits are getting huge. I can't believe how quick those rabbits grow. I guess they're meat rabbits for a reason. My spinach didn't turn out very well. It flowered on me. And if you have any suggestions for why it did that, I'd love to hear it, because I gotta restart my spinach. That's a bummer. But everything else looks great. We haven't finished the garden space yet, so I really need to transplant everything. It's getting huge, but I don't have anywhere to do it, because if I do it now, deer are gonna eat it. I've been working really hard on my garden to have deer eat it. Bunnies are doing good. The girls are still together, but they are getting huge. This one in front, she's a little more silver. She's got a bit more silvering, which I think her silvering looks really nice. It's really even, and she looks a little black. Buck gets so big. He's got that big old buck head. Don't you, buddy? You're handsome. Yeah. We're having some cage difficulties. The wire is coming up below where the buck's water bottle is sitting. And I think he's been chewing on it, and the water has just popped the staples up. So I'm building a new hutch. I got a lot of lumber behind me. I still need to cut a few pieces. I've been recording. I missed some because my camera died. But I've been recording as much as I can. Yeah, once we get the new hutch built, I've got some cages already that I need to construct, and what exactly I'm building once I get there. Let's take a look at the veggies and the chicks. The chicks are super healthy. It's been a couple weeks since they hatched, but I did get footage of them hatching. So here's my poor man brooder with my 4 chicks, and they're getting so big. Hi puppy, I know you love the chickens too. So yeah, I got the chicks. I gotta do my morning chores, gotta clean out their water and stuff. But yeah, they're getting big. Now, to tell you a little bit about these chicks, I got 6 salmon Favrola? I don't know how you pronounce it. But they're beautiful chickens that have fluffy beards, and I love them. I first saw the breed on the Tealstone Homestead YouTube channel, and Tiffany has some, and she said she's gonna hatch some more, and I'm excited for her. These chicks are adorable, and I will insert footage of them hatching. As for my veggies, a lot of my beans and my kale had to come out from in the rack because they got too tall. But we've got the snow peas, the purple beans that are, they're just purple green beans. My kale. We've got the lettuce and some cabbage. And up here we've got a variety of my squashish type plants, my gourds. We've got butternut squash, yellow squash, zucchini, a single lettuce. I'm really happy with how my veggies are looking. That's just the leftover tray of my starts, what didn't start, what did, and I need to move over into pots. And there. It's looking really great. So yeah, I'm sorry it's been a while since I uploaded my last video. I think it's been about a month, but woo, we've been busy. Doing a lot. I'm still getting the hang of remembering to record stuff. But I should have the rabbit hutch video coming up. Building that. I'm going to have a separate video for building the cages. I'm just going to spoiler now. I got KW cages. I know they're a little pricey. In California, the shipping's not as bad, I hear. But they still are quite the investment. I will post a video of putting them together for you guys. We're still working on the garden. We have to clean up a lot more still and level and then get some loads of dirt, fence it. Oh, it's so much work, guys, but spring's fun. Well, I'm gonna sign out right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll do better to upload more often, I hope. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.